Step 1, grab yourself some spark plugs and some fucking metal. Step 2, cut all the spark plugs at an angle. Step number 3, start grinding, baby. Step number 4, clean these up with a wire wheel. Step number 5, weld that to that. Step number 6, you're gonna do that to all of them. Fuck, that's still hot! Step number 7, you want to get all these little speckies and boogies off with a file or some sort of shit. Just make it look not bad. Step number 8, drill a hole here and here. Step number 9, drill it onto your wall. Step 10, put some shit on it. Now you're done.